Hey, what's up, guys? This is Juan Corredor again from Engineering Room Mac Services. Today we have 2015 MacBook Pro Retina 13.3 inches. The board number is A204924. Okay, so the problem with this one is the LCD, the backlight is not working. I already tested another LCD, but still we're having the same issue. So I decided to show the process to see if we can fix it. I'll do my best. Okay. So the first thing is let's test it one more time. You already laughing? Damn. Sure. Okay. It's a bad song for the video, right? Okay. Can you change it, please? Okay. So it is on. We all hear it, but no backlight. You see? Let me show you. No backlight. My LCD is not turned on. Again, already replaced with another LCD, and it's still the same. So my first thing, I'm gonna test powers on my LCD connector. I will use my microscope for that. Right there. Get my mouse ready. Okay. I go to my. Now we have the schematics. So let's figure which powers should I have in on this LCD connector. Okay, so my first point is PPB out as all LCD backlight is my point one on my LCD connector. Right there. I should have. Okay, let me first find it here. So it's this one. Okay. Okay. How much should this pad be? Uh, there you go. So I have 12 here, 12.9. But I believe it should increase somewhere over here. We have a boost. It doesn't say. Well, it should be. Normally it says green, storage, backlight, boom, boom. Okay. Should be something, let's say like 25 to 40. It should be. I don't remember right now, but let's check how much we have at this moment. I have nothing. Okay, at all. So that's not good. I should have more than nothing. My second pack, I'm gonna check how much that line should be. I wanna be sure. Okay, my second power line is 28, 29, 30 pin on the LCD connector. Should be 5 volts right here. 28, 29, and 30. I'm gonna test it right here, and I have nothing. My tester good. Let me test this. No, it's not good. What's happening? Okay, one more time. No. Okay, now it's working. Still nothing in any. PPB out is O. LCD backlight I have 0. And in PP5BR3B3 software LCD I have 0 too. So that's why my LCD is not working. So my computer on. Let me check one more time. My fans. Yeah, what's on? My CPU is heating. And on this model, the fan won't work until the temp of the CPU gets a specific uh, a specific temp. When it gets there, then the fan is gonna start to work. I'm gonna test one more time. The 5 volt line, nothing, and the so I'm gonna check right now how much PPV out is OLCD backlight should be. It says 53 volts. 53 volts. I don't believe it's gonna be 53 volts, but it's gonna be a lot of volts. So let's fix it. Let's check why. So okay, I already know where my issue is. Now let's figure why. So the first thing I'm gonna do is do a visual inspection on my board. Are you guys talking about? No idea. Okay, have my board out. That works. Okay, I got power. So let's test the board visually to be sure that everything is okay. And then how I say if we can find anything, then we go with the power now. So we already test the LCD connector, right? So right now what we're gonna do is visual inspect the board to see if we can find anything. If we don't find anything, then we will go to check the whole circuit, the IC backlight, LCD backlight circuit to be sure why we don't have any power on the LCD connector. So we'll start over here. Okay. All good. All good. Good. Everything looks pretty clean. Pretty good. Connectors, everything over here. A little bit dust, but nothing serious. We will clean them at the end. Okay. All good over here. Now let's go to the other side. Pretty clean board. Huh. So now we're getting closer to the LCD. This is my SNC. This is the LCD IC. Nothing serious. Mm-mm. All looks good. I don't see any big deal. I don't see any problem. Looks pretty good. Okay. So right now, I wanna check my fuse. Let's check. I'm connecting the power, the charger, so I can check my fuse to be sure my fuse is good. It didn't blow. If for some reason it blows away, is if it's damaged, I have to fix it, and probably that will be the issue. 12.5, we're good. Ooh. So what we get? If it's 12.5 on this will be. So let me show you here in the schematic what I'm testing. Right. So I already inspect the whole board. I don't see any big deal. Everything looks cool, uh, good. So I'm uh, I'm over here. This guy here use 7700. When I show you who is this guy. This is my IC backlight, LCD backlight. Oh, well, this model is LCD and keyboard backlight driver. That's how they call them. So, how you can see, we have PPB SO SW LCD backlight FET. It goes to F7700. It goes to R7700, and from there it divides. So leg 3 and 4 it goes to U7700. This guy. That's fine for R7700 right here. So leg 3 and 4 it goes to, on this case, U7700. Okay. And then there's a lot of things happening there. You have the enable, ADP backlight, PSR enable, and then we have SNCC keyboard LED enable. Okay, and these are the enable for U7700 to create LCD backlight and keyboard backlight. And at the same time, we have over here PPB SOSWC backlight that we already test on the LCD connection, and we saw that there's not any power there. It's zero. Okay, so these guys they connect again over here. Let me use 7700 and this pad. Use 7700 creates LCD backlight software that goes to Q7701, and it does a boost to PPB in SWLCD backlight. Goes to the diode D7710, and then we have a feedback. And this feedback tells you 7700 that everything is good, that your line is working. And then we have with PPB out SO LCD backlight. So this guy it doesn't exist. So if you follow the whole process I'm trying to explain in the clearest way possible, if F7700 is damaged and PPB in SO SW backlight is not present, none of this is going to exist. Why? Because this is the pad who creates everything. Okay, who gives the big power. Now, U7700, he has a power that is PP5BSO backlight we needed too. It goes to leg 5 and leg 18 through R7744 and R7745. So let's check if we have PP5BSO backlight. I already know the F7700 is damaged. I'm going to replace it, but I want to check if this guy is present. In that way, I don't have to going back. So R7744 and R7745. So this is 45, and this one is, I'm gonna put my mouse here, 44. I'm gonna test it. We should have 5 volts. 5 here, 5 here, 5 here, 5 here. Okay. So far my only problem is F7700. Now sometimes F7700 it blows away because the the second this point is shorted. It can be shorted by Q7700 and it can be shorted by U7700. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove S7700 and then I'm not gonna remove it, I'm gonna test it right now because they are not connected anymore because it blows up, it's damaged. So I'm gonna be sure that this pad is not grounded. Okay, it's not, it's good. Now let me test it with power to see my ICs when they get power and they open is not shorted. No, we're good. So I'm just gonna replace it right now. I need to get a donor. I'm gonna replace it and hopefully everything's gonna be good. Okay, so I'm gonna test that this fuse is good from this donor board. Where is it? And if it's good, that's the one I'm gonna use to replace it. Okay, we're good. Let me. I wasn't prepared to find that issue that fast. I thought it's gonna be something like the IC backlight. I thought it's gonna be like a resistor, but not the fuse. Let me be honest. Almost never I found on this model a broken fuse, but I'm lucky. Let me take the good one first. Okay, it's been replaced. Just gonna do a quick check. Nope, still nothing. Hmm. Okay. Let me test it one more time. Maybe that LCD is bad too. Maybe the LCD got damage and it blows my fuse. No, no. Nope. Same issue. No backlight. The computer's on. Check my voltage. I have 40 volts and I have 5 volts, so my CD should be working. Oh, it is working. There you go. Yes. Blinking folder. What? That was my problem. Fuse. It's weird to get a broken fuse on this model, right? But that was the issue. Good. And I believe that LCD is damaged. So I believe that LCD blow the fuse, the one is on the chassis. So yeah, we can see it here too. That's it. So the PP, this line, I'm gonna explain how I fix it and what we found. So this line that I wasn't sure how much it was at the beginning. It's 39. Let me test it one more time. 39.8, almost 40 volts. The schematic says it's 53. I said I never so far I never seen um, a 50 volts LCD or line, but um, I always see 30 something, 20 something. And this one I knew it's not gonna be 50, but I knew it's gonna be a lot. So just to be clear, 40.5 volts. Okay, this is the 13 inch. And my other part is 5. There you go, 5. So let me explain you what was the issue. I believe that the other LCD, the one is on the chassis, the one I was testing before, is damaged or it got damaged. So it blows the fuse. After that, this fuse F7700 it blows. So it stops the communication between PPB and SOSWLCD backlight FET and PPB and SOSWLCD backlight F. Okay, it's the same line. They just name it different before and after the fuse. Okay. So again, R7700 it split PPB in SOSWC backlight F, and then it sent 3 and 4, name it, and they're the iSenses, LCD backlight P and iSense LCD backlight N. It goes to U7700, VSense and VSense speed. Okay, that's for one side. And then we have Q7700 that when it receives PPB in its OSWC backlight F, R, that's the name R, because before R7700 is LCD backlight F, after is LCD backlight R. So when you receive that and U7700 receive the LCD backlight fed, it push R7702 on point 2, backlight SD down. So this point, this is what's the name? Pull-up divider? No, voltage. How will forget the name? Voltage divider. This is a voltage divider, so this pad is always same as this one. 12.5. But when U7700 opens or start to work, it push backlight SD down. So these go from 12 to 4 to 6. And now Q7700 opens and lets PPB and its OSWLC backlight R and create PPB and OSWLC backlight. Okay, and then U7700 it sends LCD backlight SW to Q7701 plus LCD backlight fed drive, and it push this pad. It make a boost on PPBNS SOLC. Sure. Let me get the USB. Okay, and then we have our feedback. This line is telling the U7700 that everything is working. So we have to be sure if for some reason is this the feedback. So what was happening is F7700 was broken and it wasn't letting PPBNS SWC backlight go through it to create same line, but this one finished on F. At the same time, it goes to R7700, creating the two lines, the two iSenses line P and N, that goes to U7700, creating BSense and BSense P. And 2 and 4 going to Q7700. Once U7700 recognize everything and gets the enable backlight enabled, it will push uh, backlight SD down the voltage, and then Q7700 will create PPB SO SW LCD backlight, and then it communicates with Q7701, creates a feedback. At the same time, the U700 boosts the power after the diode boosts the 9, and now we have 40 volts. But none of this was present because this guy got damaged, because I believe the LCD damaged it. Okay, so now we have my LCD working, so the customer is going to be really happy. So that's it, guys. That's it for today. That's it for now. It was a very simple process. I want to show the thought process, explain a little bit how I understand that this works. There's a lot of more things happening, but just explain the basics so we can start. So that's it for now. My name is Juan Correa from Engineering from Mac Services. Just one more. Bye.